I think obviously people have got, a lot of pieces, whether it's new pieces or pieces that have been passed through the family. Some people feel naturally a bit apprehensive about sending them in the post. It's so surprising how many people that are even local to Kingston that are unaware of the fact that we are one of the only jewellers in town that have a fully functional workshop with 2 amazing goldsmiths on site. The due date continuously moves, but as a general rule of thumb, we quote about 7 working days for most repairs. The initial communication is done at the time of booking in the repair when the customer is still here in store. And we go through all the things about the item itself, what needs doing to it, how we might go about repairing the item and how much it will cost. And from time of proceed, it then takes that 7 days normally to have the item repaired. There will of course be times where that lead time is a little bit longer. It'll be volume of work that we have in because we of course do repairs not just for the Kingston branch but actually for all of our other branches as well. The other thing would be if we need to order stones, although we do have a supply of most stones here in the workshop. There are of course occasions where if it's a particular coloured gemstone or a particular size diamond for instance, that we might have to order it from one of our suppliers based in Hatton Garden. So then it may take a couple of days to actually get the correct stone in before we can start to complete the job. In instances where we have to book repairs into the workshop to have an estimate done, possibly if it's a slightly more complex job, it may take a day or so before the goldsmith gives us the estimate as to what actually needs doing and how much it will cost to complete the job. The delay can also be in trying to contact the customer to be able to talk to them about the estimate and what needs doing before we actually go ahead and proceed with any work. So we do get a lot of people that come in and say, I need it for a wedding this weekend or for a special occasion or I'm going away on holiday. And of course, because we've got a workshop here on site, we're very fortunate to be able to just pop in and speak to the goldsmith and see whether they can just spare an hour or so to do actually the repair straight away. So of course we will always try and accommodate everybody where it's allowed. So you can either, of course, come into our branch and speak to us face to face with the item, or if you just want to make an initial inquiry, then you can contact us at the branch and we'll always endeavour to get back to you as quickly as possible and answer all the questions that we possibly can.